fire at Harpers Lodge Apartments affected 24 units.
Oh my gosh, how does that work when you're so far away? Like, how can you handle everything?
The reason why we decided to rebuild instead of just selling and abandoning everything in place was because of the price per unit that we're getting through insurance.
I know we've been doing these updates along the way. It's currently February 2023, but we are actually inside of the building 4 of Harpers Lodge, which houses the 24 units that were down due to the fire.
Hey everyone, Suzy here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. So I know it's been a bit since we've done an update with our fire build at building number 4, but we're gonna do an update today. So a lot has been done since the last one. We now have all the siding on. We decided to do mini splits in this building, so the HVAC went up. We do have all of the doors and windows boarded just for a lot of like safety reasons, security reasons, but let's go inside and we can check out all the goodness. Come on. So this is a lot different from before. I'm pretty sure last time it was literally just like a wood frame. So we have drywall up, we have flooring in, we have the trades doing their thing. We have our new patio doors, as I mentioned outside. We have our mini splits in here, and we've had a lot of success with mini splits at other properties. And so we wanted to try it for these ones because when the building fire occurred, these were actually all studios, and we have converted them into 1-beds, which is super exciting. So I'm gonna go in and show you like how we converted the studios into a 1-bed. Like, as you can see, like it doesn't really feel like a traditional studio. Before, it did have kind of like a living room area, and then you went back into the room, but we added, like, we framed in a door, and so that is one of the big differences. But the second big difference is that we added windows. And so now, previously rent was $629, and now we're going to have rents be $749. So the windows will pay for themselves immediately, right? Which is the greatest part. And then we get to boost the NOI, and therefore when we go to sell, like, instead of offering studios, we can now offer actually more 1-bedrooms. And that is a unit type that more people rent for a longer period of time. So that was a big incentive for us. There is like a lot of boxes in here. That's totally okay. Like, we're getting ready to tile out the bathrooms. We are putting in the quarter round. The closets are almost complete. We're gonna add a bar so that people can hang items. And then we are gonna have the vanity. We're going to put in tile. And then we have our water heater. And what's crazy about our water heater is that it's kind of big, and so they get hot water for a while, which is great. I love hot water. They love hot water. Not everybody wants to do a cold plunge. But yeah, we're super excited about like having just brand new units. Yes, having a fire was very unfortunate, but it is cool that we get to give, you know, what traditionally like a Class C+ property, like brand new 1-beds. And so we have people already inquiring and putting in applications. So it's going to be done soon. We'll make another video next time that we're out here. If you have any questions about a fire build, or if you are in this position yourself, or like, hey, you know, these are some things I noticed, what is that? Just reach out. We'd be happy to answer them. And so that you don't miss our next fire update, please subscribe and ring that bell so that you don't miss any notifications. Until next time, explore more, adventure awaits. Woo! Woo!